Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a faceplate in WinCC. First, open the graphics designer and create a new picture. This picture will serve as the foundation for your faceplate. Next, insert the necessary graphic objects, such as buttons, text fields, or I/O fields onto your new picture. Configure their properties to match your desired functionality and appearance. This initial setup is crucial for a well-designed and functional faceplate. Now, let's define the properties of your faceplate. Open the Faceplate Properties dialog and add new properties that you want to expose to other screens. These properties act as an interface, allowing you to control the faceplate's behavior from outside. For example, you might add a property for a motor's speed or a valve status. This step makes your faceplate highly reusable and adaptable across your WinCC project. Once your faceplate is defined, it's time to integrate it. Open a main process screen where you want to use the faceplate. Drag and drop your faceplate from the Project Explorer onto this screen. Then, connect the faceplate's exposed properties to relevant process tags or other screen objects. This linking allows the faceplate to interact with your plant data. Finally, test its functionality thoroughly to ensure everything works as expected. For more advanced usage, consider creating faceplate types. This allows you to make changes to one type and have them propagate across all instances, saving significant time. You can also incorporate scripting directly within your faceplates for more complex logic and dynamic interactions. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Mastering faceplates will greatly enhance your WinCC project efficiency and maintainability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.